its sacred room. Softness fills the gentle gloom. A woman holds a newborn near, cradling hope she feels so clear. Though his eyes are fresh and new, something ancient moves in view. Silent wisdom in his gaze, hints of far remembered days. Oh, this is where the gifts begin, rising softly from within. Hidden light, the soul obeys, guiding life in subtle ways. Seeing more than meets the sight, recognizing inner light. Every heartbeat starts to show seeds of what he'll one day grow. She can sense the deeper flame in this child without a name. Though the world sees still a boy, she can feel a larger joy. Hearts that listen learn to see what lies in possibility. Caring hands in quiet grace help his spirit find its place. This is where the gifts begin, rising softly from within. Hidden light, the soul awaits, guiding life in subtle ways. Seeing more than meets the sight, recognizing inner light. Every heartbeat starts to show, see